You're listening to Historical Perspectives with Mr. Malt. Learn about life by looking at our history. Teachers, for more information about historical perspectives, search Mr. Malt's Marketplace on Teachers Pay Teachers or at mrmaltmarketplace.com. Happy learning!
Maya and the Magic Ramp. Maya loved her bright blue skateboard. One sunny Saturday, she carried it to the park with her little brother Leo. At the top of the big wooden ramp, Maya sat very still and looked down. The skateboard didn't move. It waited. "That skateboard has lots of potential energy," Leo said, remembering a video they watched in science class. "What's potential energy?" Maya asked. "It's energy that's stored, like it's waiting to happen," Leo explained. "Because the skateboard is high, it can go fast later." Maya smiled and pushed off. The skateboard rolled down the ramp fast. The wind whooshed by her ears. The stored energy changed into motion. "Now that's kinetic energy," Maya shouted. On the grass below, an old wind-up toy sat near a puddle. Maya picked it up and wound it tight. It didn't move while she wound it. "Now it has potential energy," she told Leo. When she let go, the toy buzzed across the grass. Its stored energy became kinetic energy, and the toy bumped the puddle and made tiny splashes. Later, Maya and Leo built a pretend roller coaster out of cardboard. They put a small marble at the top of the highest hill and marked a finish line. They tried 3 starting heights: low, medium, and high. Each time the marble started higher, it rolled farther and reached the finish line faster. "I see it now," Leo said. "Higher means more potential energy, and more potential energy makes more kinetic energy when it moves." "That's right," Maya said. "And sometimes kinetic energy turns into other kinds, like when something makes a sound or gets warm." She dropped a small metal toy onto the ramp and listened to the clink. The sound was energy leaving the motion. As the sun began to set, Maya and Leo packed up. Maya tucked her skateboard under her arm and grinned. "Energy is like a secret power," she said. "Sometimes it waits, and sometimes it makes things zoom." Leo nodded. "And the fun part is, we can see what it does." They walked home, careful on the sidewalk, already planning new experiments for Sunday. Another chance to watch energy change from waiting to moving.
Thanks for listening to this Historical Perspective. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe. Also, search for Historical Perspectives on Teachers Pay Teachers to learn more about other topics, such as the Golden Gate Bridge, Henry Ford, schools in the early 1900s, and so much more. Happy learning!